Sewer camera inspection at 7710 North 30th Drive. We're at a roof plumbing vent stack, kind of on the north side of the property, above the hall bathroom. I'm going to go down into this pipe and down into the sewer lateral through this pipe. No plumbing cleanouts were visible at the front of the house. Did a little bit of digging, but I don't want to damage any underground pipes or lines, so I quit digging. And got the sewer camera up here to the roof. So that's where the bathtub drains into the main drain system right there. ABS pipes look good on the inside so far. A little bit of debris. Shut up. Jeez. A little bit more debris in the line there. 87 feet. So I'm going to go turn the water off and pull the camera back. looks like we've got some water being retained there. I can't push my camera head any farther. So it's right at 87 feet. The front yard where that goes down gets full of water. That very well could be the city connection, but the city connection shouldn't be underwater. I definitely have this line cleaned out, have your main plumbing cleanouts located, and then have it re-scanned, make sure that all the pipes are level. Looks like we're retaining some water in a couple of different spots here. See, we're retaining water here again too at 66 feet. This will be in the front yard like that. Yeah, it's between 63 and 68, 67 feet. We definitely have a drop in this section. See how the water goes down, builds up right there. We got something causing a backup right there. I do love dogs. I do. But